Hey guys, another day, another vlog. Yeah, overdue, but I'm trying my best juggling this and also work, corporate girly stuff, trying to take pictures as much as I can to document all this. Anyway, end of day, already exhausted. Then something interesting happened. A motorbike hit the back of the car. It's crazy. And then the driver had to calm down and see for himself, and then people were like blaming him and shit. I just came to tell me how much they're charging to fix it, because he doesn't want to lose his job by going back to the office with the car looking like that. The person who caused it has gone. It's crazy, yeah, like it's crazy. Now we're at this workshop. I'm supposed to be going home, rather going to the hotel, but I have to just be patient here, and I really want to use the washroom. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. And I'm looking awkward to these people because I'm holding out my phone and recording, which is dangerous, so I'm gonna cut it short here. So we finished at the workshop. Now we're heading to my hotel. I had planned to go change some money with a colleague, and so that's what I'm gonna do next. Finally back to my hotel. I'm quite tired, exhausted. I'm not about to miss my room. Okay, I'm here. So we're finally heading to Eco Hotel. It's called, is it Eco or Eco? I think it's Eco Hotel, because yeah, Lagos Eco. Anyway, we're going to Eco Hotel to change some moolah money. It's interesting that we still have Hyundai in Nigeria. I guess the market is there, so perhaps that's why. Anyway, we're taking a turn to go to the entrance of Eco Hotel. I think I like changing money at Eco Hotel as compared to the roadside guys. Those roadside guys are just rip-offs. Like, they will take 40% more than what you're supposed to charge. It's that crazy. So I have a good plug at the, I think it's the exits. There's this red brick building. You would see. I will take a shot for you. Outfit today, I have this striped shirt. It's really interesting. I could wear it for work, and I could also wear it for just a chill, looking like this with my shoes, brown shoe. I took a bag. Give me a sec. I wore this bag. And that's it. I'm gonna go out for drinks in a few minutes. I will take a few shorts for you to see how it went and my colleagues I get to hang out with. I'm supposed to go to 2 places and hang out with 2 sets of colleagues. So I'm looking forward to it, and I'm hoping to take you guys along with me. Call me Gloria. Hopefully you don't fall. And there it goes. It fell. This content creation thing. Anyway, so here's what I have on. Just simple. Let me just use the mirror. Something simple and easygoing. It's just nothing serious. I'm gonna treat this work trip like it's vacation, yeah? But it's still a work trip, and I'll make the best out of it.
We're here for 2 months.
2 months, come on, so much time. No, we can go as many times as possible. I say that now because my colleagues have tried to drag me out at one point in time, or so many times, man, like so many times, and I'm such a homebody, or maybe I'm really exhausted. I just stay back at the hotel and just not go out. But this time I caved in. And so I'm like, oh yeah, it's a long period, it's a long work trip, so we could find time within the period and just like hang out and shit. So yeah, so we arrived, and a few others that arrived before us. So this is just us getting into 4 Points by Sheraton. I couldn't film the entire night because the area we decided to spend some time at was restricted. Like, cameras were restricted in that area because like there are various expats, expats, in that area. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Toodles. This should end the vlog.